Welcome to Seeking Alpha's Wall Street Breakfast, where we cover the top news for investors every morning. Good morning. Today is Monday, November 11th. I'm Julie Morgan. Crypto-related stocks are on our list of the biggest movers of the day pre-market. McKesson and Oracle have their sights set on Verad, and Smith and Nephew investors may push for a breakup. Bitcoin is above $82,000 and crypto-related stocks are seeing gains of at least 10% in pre-market action. The surge is driven by President-elect Donald Trump's favorable stance on digital assets. Riot Platforms is up 12.3% pre-market. Mara Holdings is seeing gains of nearly 17%. MicroStrategy is up 10% in pre-market action. Coinbase up 18%. Hive Digital is up 13%. Bit Digital is up 21%, and Bitfarms is up 17% pre-market. The crypto craze is our top story in the Wall Street Breakfast newsletter, our daily one-page news summary. A link to sign up for the newsletter is in show notes. McKesson and Oracle are among the finalists seeking to acquire electronic medical records company Verad, according to Axios on Sunday, citing sources familiar with the matter. According to the report, a deal is expected to top Verad's $1 billion market cap due to the lower antitrust risk from the incoming Trump administration. One source was quoted as saying that the companies and private equity firm Thoma Bravo could possibly have asked for a small discount due to possible increased antitrust scrutiny due to their medical data holdings. Axios reported that sources said Thoma Bravo was particularly interested due to its next-gen portfolio company. The sources reportedly said that CVS Health had looked at Verad but dropped out amid its own strategic review. Axios reported that a deal is expected to be reached by Thanksgiving. Verad, McKesson, Oracle, and Thoma Bravo did not immediately respond to requests for comment by Seeking Alpha. Smith and Nephew shareholders are concerned about the medical device maker's performance and may push for a breakup. According to a Mail on Sunday report, the holders want the CEO to improve the company's fortunes or potentially be ousted. Shareholders are looking for a shakeup in Smith and Nephew's orthopedics division, which may be a potential spinoff candidate. Investors are said to be pleased with the leadership of Smith and Nephew's chairman, though they are unsure about the CEO. The Mail on Sunday report comes after Swedish activist investor Sevion Capital disclosed a 5% stake in the UK medical device maker in July. BlackRock is also one of the company's biggest holders, with a more than 5% stake. The pressure from shareholders comes at a time when Smith and Nephew shares have fallen 15% this year and dropped almost 45% over the past 5 years, amid supply-side constraints and multiple leadership changes. I have a few other articles that I'd like to share with you that you can find on Seeking Alpha. We have a look at your earnings week ahead with major names like Alibaba and Shopify reporting. Firefox turns 20. Can Mozilla return to its previous heights? And Wall Street's picks for bank stocks after Trump's victory include Capital One and PNC. On our Catalyst Watch for the day, the Fortune Global Forum will include talks from the CEOs of Target and Yum China. And the Nasdaq will release its short interest report at 4 p.m. Now for a look at the markets today. As of 6 a.m., Dow, S&P, and Nasdaq futures are in the green. Crude oil is down 1.6% at $69 a barrel. Bitcoin is up 3.1% and above 82,000. In the world markets, the FTSE 100 is up 0.7% and the DAX is up 1.2%. The stock market is open, but the U.S. bond market is closed in observance of the Veterans Day holiday. Also on our list of the biggest movers of the day pre-market is Tesla. TSLA is up 7.5%, poised to extend their gains for a fifth straight session. This rally has driven the electric vehicle maker's market capitalization back above the $1 trillion mark as of Friday. Today's economic calendar looks so light today, I have nothing to tell you about. But what about a little history? Recent history, that is. It's the 3-year anniversary date of the Rivian Automotive IPO. Shares trade about 85% below where the IPO was originally priced. That's it for today's Wall Street Breakfast. Thanks for listening. To take full advantage of Seeking Alpha with coverage on significant stocks and ETFs, become a premium subscriber. Check out seekingalpha.com/subscriptions. I'm your host, Julie Morgan. Go out and make it a great day.